Oh boy, I don't know what I'm doing here. Good thing I'm not an artist, but thank God I'm a cook. And today I'm going to show you how to turn your decorative pumpkin into the best soup of your lifetime.
I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Welcome to Let's Google It, everyone, and let's begin making this amazing roasted pumpkin soup. Starting with the chopped sweet potatoes, chopped onion, smashed garlic, and rough chopped fresh ginger. A little bit of oil. Give it a quick mix. Make sure the oil coated everything. And the sweet potato, it gives more flavor to the pumpkin soup, and it thicken it up at the same time. Now let me put it on the side, and now we're gonna take the seed out. Now if you're into a small snack and you wanna toast the seed with some salt, you go for it. I'm not going to do this because I'm busy making that yummy soup. So let me begin with the paring knife and make a couple of lines. One sprig rosemary in the bottom, the gold liquid, which is maple syrup, nutmeg, the sweet potato, onion, ginger, and fresh garlic. We're gonna fill it up. Butter on the top. Salt and pepper, and make sure your oven preheated on 375, and we're gonna put it in for 45 to 50 minutes. We'll check on it and we'll see how it goes. Took exactly 45 minutes and it smells so good. Now we're gonna scoop everything out. Look at this, lovely. And rosemary, we're gonna get it out, and the rest all going into a soup pot. Now I'm gonna add orange zest, the juice, and I was lucky there's no seed, so I'm gonna add the rest of the orange, cinnamon, vegetable broth, stove on a medium high. So let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes, and let me get rid of those. That's the pumpkin skin. Perfect. Now turn off, and it's time to puree our soup. Now keep blending until it's very smooth, and very important for pumpkin soup, you have to strain it. And what I like about this recipe is it's freezer friendly. So you make a big batch, you portion it, you freeze it, and you use it whenever you want. Now garnish with a little bit of chive, a dash of smoked paprika, but always my favorite way of having this soup, it's in the coffee mug. So in the coffee mug, I still can enjoy my soup and practice on my art at the same time.